Hey, Kelly. Well, while we are in a better place than, of course, we were at the height of the pandemic, there's still a ways to go here. Coming off of the worst week since mid-September, sales and traffic dropped again for the week ended October 18th, according to Black Box Intelligence. Sales fell by 7.6%, traffic down by 13.6%, both of those year on year. The group notes that average spending per guest has also slowed down a bit, particularly in quick service and casual. This had really remained strong, even without additional stimulus in recent weeks. There are some bright spots, though. McDonald's recent same-store sales update was a bit better than expected in the U.S., and a recent franchisee survey found that there's pent-up demand among consumers and that mom-and-pop shops closing is sending business to the company's drive-thrus. Dunkin' executives also recently told me that consumers are treating themselves more to things that they can't make at home as the pandemic continues on, disrupting those morning routines. But don't forget, what's good for chains, of course, isn't always great for those independent restaurants, which continue to struggle without additional aid from D.C. We're going to hear much more tomorrow from Starbucks, Dunkin', and Shake Shack. All of those stocks falling between 2 and 5% today. Back over to you guys.
Still, Kate, it would seem like restaurants are potentially going to be one of the hardest hit if we start seeing measures like what Chicago just did. For the most part, chains who can do delivery and that kind of thing have used their technology, have been okay, but this still has to be a big blow for them.
Certainly, Kelly, and I think what we're going to continue to see is a lot of these chains like Restaurant Brands International, we heard from yesterday, really leaning even more into drive-through and kind of updating those systems to cater to new changing consumer habits. But a lot of what we've learned in the pandemic is that these new consumer habits will likely stay with us even after this, and the independent chains, as you mentioned, will really continue to get hurt.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.